Ever wondered if YNAB, that budgeting app everyone's raving about, can actually handle your investment portfolio? You know, those stocks, bonds, and maybe even that fancy crypto you're dabbling in? Stick around, because we're about to dive deep and see if YNAB is truly all you need to keep tabs on your entire financial life. YNAB, or You Need a Budget, has taken the personal finance world by storm. It's famous for its unique budgeting method, focusing on giving every dollar a job. But what about those assets beyond your checking and savings accounts? Can YNAB truly be your one-stop shop for all things money, including your investments? The short answer is the kind of. YNAB itself doesn't directly track the performance of your investments. You won't find fancy charts or real-time updates on your stock prices within the app. Think of YNAB as your master budget, the conductor of your financial orchestra. It helps you allocate funds for your financial goals, including investing. Let me explain. YNAB and budgeting for investments. YNAB excels at helping you budget for your investments. You can create budget categories like monthly investments, retirement contributions, or even specific categories for individual investment accounts. This ensures you consistently allocate funds towards your investment goals, making saving and investing a regular part of your budget. Tracking investments elsewhere. While YNAB doesn't track performance, it seamlessly integrates with other financial tools. You can connect your investment accounts, brokerages, retirement accounts to platforms like Personal Capital or Mint. These platforms provide comprehensive investment tracking, performance analysis, and even personalized advice. Then, you simply link your investment accounts within YNAB to track the flow of money in and out of those accounts. Here's how this works in practice. Budget for investments. In YNAB, you allocate a specific amount from your income to your monthly investments category. Transfer funds. You transfer the allocated amount from your checking account to your brokerage account. Track in YNAB. You record this transfer within YNAB, ensuring your budget reflects the outflow of funds. Track performance elsewhere. Your investment accounts are linked to a platform like Personal Capital, where you monitor performance, track gains/losses, and make informed investment decisions. Benefits of this approach. Holistic financial picture. YNAB provides a holistic view of your finances, including your investment allocations, while other platforms handle the performance tracking. Improved investment discipline. By budgeting for investments within YNAB, you prioritize them, making consistent contributions more likely. Reduced investment fees. Many investment platforms offer free or low-cost accounts, potentially saving you money compared to traditional brokerage fees. Important considerations. Data synchronization. Ensure seamless data synchronization between YNAB and your investment tracking platform to maintain an accurate picture of your financial situation. Potential for overlapping features. Some investment platforms offer basic budgeting features. Evaluate which platform best suits your needs and preferences. YNAB might not be your go-to for investment performance tracking, but it's an invaluable tool for budgeting for your investments. By combining YNAB with a dedicated investment tracking platform, you can create a powerful system for achieving your financial goals. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.